Does this sound familiar to you? You bring products to market that contain software in some way or another. In the value creation process, several external suppliers are often involved, locally, regionally, and also globally. Software developers work with the latest technology and frameworks. They share and collaborate, communicate with peers, and participate in communities. It is impossible to imagine software development without open source. Consumer electronics, medical technology, automotive, industrial production, smart home, you name it, OSS is built into every product. Also, your company is likely to receive OSS components through deliveries from your suppliers, which might end in your finished products and services. Do you know which OSS components and licenses are used in the software deliveries of your suppliers? Do you perform scans and compliance checks on every external software delivery? That's the crux of the matter. Open source software is often used without sufficient knowledge of and attention to license compliance requirements. As a result, the companies that bring the product to market expose themselves to security and compliance risks, which can lead to sensitive claims for damages, injunctions, or loss of image and reputation. The challenge remains. How can you rely on the correct use of OSS in your software deliveries, especially for more complex supply chains? The solution? PwC Open Source Software Compliance Attestation, according to the OpenChain industry standard. It simplifies collaboration with suppliers and provides an objective, independent, and reliable assessment. On this basis, the frequency and scope of in-house reviews of individual software deliveries can be aligned. PwC uses a secure, efficient, and transparent online tool for OSS assessments. A dashboard shows the current progress of the assessments, the status of clarification cases, and further KPIs. Our tool serves as a platform for all communication and the secure exchange of data and documents during the assessment. Verification materials, as requested per OpenChain standard, can easily be uploaded via drag and drop, and additional explanations can be added as desired and required. When several assessments are carried out in parallel, for example, for all Tier 1 suppliers of an organization, a dashboard provides transparency about the current processing status of all assessments and direct communication of findings. With this report, PwC offers an independent audit and thus enables a reliable and secure assessment of open source compliance, both for the supplier and its customer who combines various software deliveries and brings the product to market. The PwC assessment convinces with its transparency, reliability, and effectiveness, both for a single supplier and for a whole number of critical suppliers in the supply chain, and thus creates trust in the use of open source software.